More than 150 United Nations member countries agree on a deal aimed at improving cooperation on migration. British Prime Minister Theresa May calls off a vote in Parliament on whether to approve or reject a plan for Britain's withdrawal from the European Union. Armenian officials say acting Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan's alliance won a big victory in parliamentary elections. And the United Socialist Party of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro won local elections on Sunday. The country's opposition boycotted the vote.